guys, welcome back to the new vlogs. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. And currently I'm applying some cheese bread because we're heading for a small vacation and I'm very late, so I'm just quickly making some cheese bread so that we reach to a location non-stop without stopping for food or anything. So that's what I'm doing currently. Jaldi anyway, we are very late. So sandwiches are ready and I'm just leaving. मेरा bag सब नीचे उतर गया है. Go. I'll guys all the details in some time. It's because we are very late and I'm supposed to leave in like 2 minutes. So I'll talk to you guys later. We have almost reached. I think 10 minutes से बता रहा है. We just wanted to collect few things from the medical, तो वो ले रहे हैं. And we are at Kashid, Alibag, and I mean not exactly in Alibag but near to Kashid. हमने एक property book किया, so we're just heading towards there. This is the first time that we are coming together. I mean Altamash आया है पहले I think, and मैं भी आई with my family 5-6 years back. I don't even remember actually. It was so long. और साथ में first time. Thought let's go and explore together. यहाँ पे आए नहीं हैं तो it's the first time. We had few other options. Plans तो कहाँ के बने थे and where we ended up is like बहुत यहाँ से यहाँ, but there are reasons that we ended up here. But I think we did. I think we took a good decision. यहाँ पर आकर weather is also quite good, not too hot, and yeah, will be and the property that we booked is really good. I mean pictures देख के तो बहुत अच्छी है, अभी जाके पता चलेगा. So let's go. Silence in the background, violence in your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to. Remember that time when life was like a dream. You know what I know. You know what I know. I need to hold you close to me, to me, to me, to me, yeah. Almost 4:30. हमने लंच कर लिया. Lunch was average, like it was not that great, it wasn't bad as well. So it was average. Why am I looking like this? It was average and थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लिया. Now we are planning to go to the beach. यहाँ पे 2 beaches in near me. I think it's Kashid and one more. I don't remember which one, but जो नियर होगा और बेटर होगा will go there. And थोड़ा सा जाके बीच पे रेस्ट करते हैं. So let's go to the beach. बस जाके बीच पे रिलैक्स करते हैं, देखते हैं क्या है उधर. View is so good. I love this property. It is so good. We have a private pool and there is beach just there, but you can't go to this beach because it's a rocky beach or something like that. So we have to go to some other one. I think so come a little closer. नहीं एक लो शेयर थोड़ा सी नहीं मतलब वही परफेक्ट It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. Live in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer. सीजन नहीं इसलिए ज़्यादा सुकून से बैठ पाए हैं. इधर ही खा लो मेरे ख्याल में. लो सूप हमको खाना बहुत डिफिकल्टी से मिला. हम ढूंढ रहे थे एक दो स्टोर विच इज़ क्लोज, बट दिस लुक क्वाइट गुड. न्यूली ओपन प्लेस. खाना अच्छा था. थोड़ा सा पार्सल ले लिया घर पे रूम पे बैठ के खाने को बिकॉज अभी भूख नहीं था. सो वी हैड लिटिल एंड टुक सम पार्सल. और ब्यूटीफुल हो गया है. You need help? चलो back to the room. मैंने quickly outfit change कर लिया. I was feeling so hot and that's the view रात में. बाहर तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. I'm not going out now. बट फूड ऑर्डर किया है. वो खाना भूख लगी थी मुझे फिर से, तो हमने थोड़ा सा पार्सल ले आया था. तो I'm having that and that's it for the day. Guys, बाहर कैसा है? रात में it's more pretty. You can just chill outside. I'm currently having food because I'm really hungry and watching some TV. TV on कैसे होगा? Let me just check. गुड मॉर्निंग. कल रात में एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी नींद आई. आई नीड टू गो टू द पूल. You ready for the pool? Suddenly hair wet. So I just took a shower. Pool में I couldn't go inside because पानी इतना ठंडा था. I mean I cannot even imagine. It was so cold. I don't know why. The weather is quite good here. मैंने सोचा नहीं था weather इतना अच्छा होगा, but the weather is quite good. So the water was really really cold. So I just went like पैर वैर गीले किया and then just went like halfway and then I came back and I just took shower and now I'll get ready. Most probably after lunch, but it's almost 1:30. So let's see. I'm just enjoying so much. मतलब ये property इतनी अच्छी है and just feeling so good. I would highly recommend. Come here during weekdays. Weekend पर I'm not sure how crowded it's gonna be, but it's off season, तो अभी तो बहुत ज़्यादा खुला है, बहुत कम लोग. Even the beaches are so nice. I mean इतना crowd नहीं है. It's perfect time. I think हम जब अब आए हैं, it's perfect time. I think it's gonna stay like this for even more 15 days and then फिर गर्म start हो जाएगा. But this property is superb. I mean it's really good. I'm gonna give you guys the details later. But I think it's really peaceful. The mast sukoon se you can chill. You have space to sit outside. You have a private pool. View is good. You can see the beach and the room is also really good. And food I would give like 3 on 5. It's not bad, but it's not that great as well. But you do have few other options nearby. So yeah, especially कल रात में हमने जहाँ से खाया था वहाँ का खाना अच्छा था. It was like I think 10 minutes away from this place. That is newly opened restaurant, but it was good. So that is also one option you have. Rest you have a proper menu here. You can give them order. They have thali. They have a lot of things. Check out the menu also. But food is like okay. बाकी दूसरी सारी चीज़ is really good. If you just want to relax and chill, come to this place and you can just enjoy. It's so nice. So this is the property that we are staying at, the Seascape, and I think ऊपर भी they have something. हम नीचे वाले में, that's why we have the private pool. I think ऊपर they have jacuzzi. I'm not sure. I have to check out. And that's the dining area there. थोड़ा सा बैठने का space है. We have games and all that. हमने वो अभी तक एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया, but we have that. मैं नीचे उतरने वाली थी, मैंने उसको जैसे देखी जो भाग कर उधर गई और जैसे इसको देख के आ रहा है भाग कर आई. मैंने ठंडा हो जाएगा तो हाँ होता not going in the pool, we're just enjoying it outside. आया यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये झाड़ी. घर लेके जा सकते हैं क्या? और इतने बड़े बड़े पत्ते रखेंगे क्या? तो so cool. So now we are going to another beach. 1 घंटा हो गया. मस्त है ना? So it's almost 5:30 and हम जा रहे हैं to a beach which is almost 1 hour away. कल जो नियर वाला था काशी बीच, that is done. So we're going to the far one. I was wearing something else, but वो इतना uncomfortable था that I've changed into this beautiful outfit. I really want to put this flower. I don't know if it is too much, but I think I like it. I second guess me, I second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment.
'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath.
इधर अभी they are making something, I don't know what, but beach is like almost empty. मट्टी भी नहीं है, it's like that you can't even go and sit. In Kashid is way better than so we decided to stop here. यहाँ पे सब है almost people are sitting here. That's the fort. I think अभी तो बंद हो गया होगा. So we are at this cute little cafe, cactus cafe. Like this. It's stuck. Oh my god, this looks so yummy. I was not expecting कि इतना अच्छा कुछ आएगा, but I'm happy. The food was really good. So if you are anywhere around in Murud, this is Cactus Cafe. You can come and have food. It's really nice. Luckily weather अच्छा है, but इधर अभी. So we came back, took a little bit of rest, must late TV भी देख रहे थे. We enjoy this so much. If you go to any other place, like कोई भी different property पे जाते, we just prefer, you know, just lying down and watching TV, series, Netflix and all that stuff. घर पे भी करते हैं, but this hits differently. तो हम बैठ के वही कर रहे थे. And हम थोड़ा सा खाना लेके आए because we had around 7:30, so we knew we'll be hungry around 9:30. It's almost 10, I think. बाहर जाके 2 राउंड मार कर आए, थोड़ा सा चेकआउट किया बिकॉज हम प्रॉपर्टी पे लाइक बाहर इतना निकले नहीं था. जैसे इन द रूम एंड सिटिंग बाय द पूल वो सब कर रहे थे. पूल से जो भी आता है बेसिकली वही है, बट वी वेंट आउट नाउ जस्ट टू सी एंड केम बैक. नाउ आई एम फीलिंग लिटिल हंग्री, सो जो लाया था पार्सल वो खाते एंड देन वी बी डन फॉर द डे. मीन कहाँ दिन जाते समझ ही नहीं आता. एंड वी आर डन ऑलमोस्ट. लाइक कल चेकआउट है, केम फॉर 2 days एंड टुमारो वी हैव टू चेक आउट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. सो वी आर गोइंग फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. सुबह सुबह उठ के एंड इट्स टाइम फॉर अस टू चेक आउट. तो थोड़ा जल्दी उठ गए. वी थॉट ऑफ स्टेइंग लाइक एक्सटेंडिंग 1 more day, बट आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि घर जाते हैं थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स करते हैं. आज सैटरडे है. इवनिंग में विल गो आउट समवेयर इफ वी फील लाइक, अदरवाइज घर पे ही चिल करेंगे. And then tomorrow is Sunday. So Sunday I just want to get the laundries done and cleaning and all that done, so that we are free for Monday. On Monday से routine start हो जाए. So just thinking about that, and we are not extending. We might come back again after 2-3 months because we really like this property, and you know, just to chill at the property is really nice. A lot of people don't know Kashid actually. This comes after Alibag. Alibag यहाँ से I think more 35 to 40 minutes है if I'm not wrong. But this is ahead of that, and Kashid beach is really nice. कल हम मुरुद गए थे. मुरुद was not that great. The beach was not that great, but we did explore the छोटू सा गाँव का section, and वहाँ पे एक fort भी है which I showed you guys in the video. We didn't go there also. We didn't wanted to go because 6:30 हो गए थे. We left really late. The main reason for us to come here for a staycation was a shoot which is done, and I'm super happy. It's really special for us. So वो काम हो गया. That is the only reason we came for, and you know, to relax. तो वो 2 चीज़ें is like ticked off and ready to go. So if you guys don't know, this is I think Revdanda, near Revdanda beach, and Kashid is I think 8 to 9 kilometer or 10-11 kilometers ऐसा ही कुछ है. But it is like 15 to 20 minutes drive from here. But it's really nice. We didn't go to Revdanda beach, went to Kashid beach. वहाँ तो you can chill, relax. वहाँ you have a lot of food stalls. तो हमने उस दिन first day we had poha and vada pav. I am the one who do not like vada pav, but मैंने उस दिन vada pav खाया. It was so good, so fresh. Everything really super fresh.
We can find a safe place within our company, within our company, within our company. So come closer to me, closer.
ये क्या है? अच्छा इमली है. She gave us this chickpea to try the sample. उनके घर में फ्रेश बनती है. Really good.
How long can you hold until your breath falls? spent